Okay, I am live on YouTube and let me check about Twitter. I should be live on Twitter too. Yes, I am. Let me. Okay, so everything is. Everything works. I hope you guys can hear me if anyone is watching. If not, then it doesn't really matter. Anyway, so you remember yesterday we talked about this part, fetching price. Let me check VS Code. Yeah, fetching price and the metadata. So right now we have all the price, all the prices for each of the contracts that are mentioned in liquidation. So what we are gonna do is we are going to write a function that fetches the price and puts in into the indexer. So back to, let me modify this. Okay, this is going to be the task that we will complete today. Okay, let me switch to VS Code. Yes, so you see, this is the file where all the data is stored, price data, and we will use it here. If you see the structure of this data is a record string, so it's an object and there is object inside it. Each key value pair is this unique string. So Ethereum colon address, yeah, contract address, and then again next object, the value is object which has key as timestamp as key and price as value. So that's the structure. And what we want to do, we have debt token, we have collateral token. We are going to get const token price equal to token price, let's say Ethereum debt token, and then block dot, sorry, event dot block dot timestamp dot as, can I convert this to yes, to string, and we are gonna do the same thing. Let me remove this. Const block timestamp string equal to const block timestamp string get USD prices prices for that asset and collateral asset at the time of the event from price cache. Give me a second. And we are gonna say if in case we don't find it, value that token price value will be 0. Now we can remove this. Const that token precision number then we have const collateral no here that token precision will do the same thing. Precision number collateral amount collateral decimal that works. Will remove this from that token precision. Now this will be collateral token precision to precision values. Now we are gonna take those things, get USD value for that to cover. Okay, we have both as just multiplying the USD amount and that and the precision amount. That way we get USD amount. So let's fix that and we'll say amount USD, and we should remove the console logs. We don't really need those. Let me open Docker and run pnpm dev to run the indexer. Hopefully everything works and there are no errors. If there are any errors, we'll resolve those and see what's happening. Okay, we got an error. We should set failed to start. Let's see if we get some errors here. Okay, I guess we know where issue is happening. It's here somewhere. Console.log const token address for no const that token address for cache. We'll modify this. Let's remove these things and say that token and that token collateral token address for cache. Let's try to run this. We'll get some console logs at least. Not all of them, but at least some. Oh, okay. So the issue is with like a single value, not all of those values. Okay, I guess everything is working. Yes, everything is working. Let's stop this. This won't stop our Docker containers. So we can go back and check the data. Localhost console, localhost 8080 console, and we should have everything here. You see, can we see USD amount is less than or equal to 0? Okay, there are some values where we haven't set USD value. Sorry, where we haven't gotten the price for the token. Can we check aggregate count where debt to cover is less than equal to 0, 6, and collateral, no, liquidated collateral amount USD is less than or equal to 0. Oh, it's 39. That's like 45 values that we are missing, and we'll fix that in next stream or something like that. But let's see. For now, this is good. We have the USD price. We have the no, yeah, we have the precision. So you remember we saw a quick node, Aave tracker, and this. We can create something like this. Our only issue was this part, which was getting the USD value for both collateral amount and data amount. Now we have all of those except for those 45 values where we messed up somehow. Not sure why. Let's go here. Open this. No, close this. Open this and say where that to cover is less than equal to 0. Get the collateral asset and back to our VS Code. In the token prices, we do have this, and timestamp is this part. Okay, I'll paste the timestamp at the bottom. You see, I guess you can see this. Let's go to 7222226. Why are we missing that timestamp? Are we missing it or it's just not there? 22608. Yeah, we are missing it. Why? Let me open the scripts, fetch price, and then fetch JSON. No. Okay, let's copy this. Go back to Chrome. Timestamp / Ethereum. And then token. Okay, should I insert this? It should be there, but I don't know why I missed it. Okay, I guess this works for now. We'll write a script to check these kind of things and fix them automatically. Okay, let's go to Excalibur. Now we have all the things we need, and let's plan for what we should do tomorrow, where we are going to create a bunch of graphs with the help of ChatGPT and React.js, React and some plotting library. I don't know which I'm gonna use. and a table. So let's just create something. So data points that we have are as follows: debt price, no, debt token amount, raw and precision. We can say same for collateral, raw, precision, and USD. So we have these things. Let me show you Blockworks Fluid Analytics. Okay, so I want to build something like this. So not exactly, because we are not indexing this right now. So we are gonna focus on this. It's in the background right now, but ignore that. I'm just giving you an idea. Lending market. Okay, this is great. We can see all of the data points, and we can create it. We don't have They don't have a dashboard for Aave, so I'm gonna create that and maybe tag them here. Like, see what I'm doing in that way. For liquidations, we can do similar thing. You see, bar chart. That's good. Then okay, let's assume this is a website. This is our web app. First will be top liquidations. This will be a table. Then so, so we can have two charts. Sorry, remove this. Here and here. This is liquidation numbers. Then bar charts, liquidation in USD terms. Bar charts, bar chart. Okay, so this will be just a raw number, how number of liquidations that are happening, and this will be number of liquidation in terms of dollars. So $1 billion liquidation in March. Aave had billion liquidation of $1 billion, something like that. Give me a second. Okay. Next, we can have a chart like this and say liquidated collateral by asset and show them we yearly, no, monthly, yearly, and total. So you see, they have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 assets will have same, not 4, but this is the idea behind it. Percentage of liquidations, and maybe here we can also add ether, or this can be stacked bar chart, not just bar chart. So I don't know if you know what stacked bar chart is or not, but I'll just show you. So assume this is the total value for a single, this is the height of bar on y axis for a particular x axis coordinate, but we can subdivide it into, let's say, whatever number we have. So we will say $1.5 billion liquidation happened. How much of that was collateral liquidated in ether? Collateral liquidated in ether, in DAI, in USDC, and we can go down and say others. Others will be like very small part. And that's what stacked bar chart is, and we can add it here. This would be great, like for visualization. In terms of visualization, let's go back. Okay, what's next? What can we do? APY, I don't know how to calculate that. Again, we are just looking at liquidation. So, oh, okay. You see, I was talking, I didn't see this at the start, but I'm thinking of doing the same thing. Let's remove this. Next, yes, let's can we get like copy image? Yes, we should be able to paste it. Liquidations, and flash loans. Okay, I don't think any other charts are useful right now. Now this is done. Let's add this. Also, this is great, but collateral liquidated, and okay, we can add this part. This is not difficult. Liquidations by asset. Is So liquidations happen, like there are two assets involved, right? For in in case of liquidation, which is collateral and the debt asset. So debt is something that you are borrowing, and collateral is something you are providing as a security for that debt. Is the data for debt liquidated? No, collateral is useful. Like, um, can we find some correlation between the collateral that is being provided and debt asset debt that is being taken? I'm not sure there will be some correlation, but I don't know how to visualize it. And finally, we can have a search bar. Search liquidations by address, and a table will come up. Table of users past liquidations on Aave. Liquidations by asset, and what else is there? There is not much. We can show, okay, we can show total liquidations. That's not useful. Is there, let's check liquidation logic. Okay, actual collateral to liquidate, that's the number. Fee, what's up with fee? Protocol liquidation fee. Okay, we can't get anything else out of it. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in ChatGPT and see what it suggests. It's probably gonna give me a wrong answer, but let's see. Okay, what is the delta between these two values? So we can't actually get number of fees from there. Okay, so we can show how much profit liquidators have made. So here we can show a graph, value captured by liquidators. And if you remember, this is the liquidation call event, right? We have debt to cover and liquidated collateral amount. Liquidated liquidated collateral amount is higher than debt to cover. So the difference between this USD amount and this USD amount is the fee or the value that liquidator captured. This minus this minus the gas fees, but ignore the gas fees for now. We'll just assume they are not there. But we have one more point to show. So we can have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, no, 4 charts, one one table, and a search area where user can search. Okay, I guess that we can tackle tomorrow. Right now, let's go back to this. We will add one more field in our liquidation, which is value captured, and we'll say float. Okay, let's say pnpm code gen worked. Let's go back to event handler. Now we can add one more value captured. Just give me a second. We have USD, and we can do let value captured equal to 0. Then we want that to cover, okay, yeah, that to cover greater than 0, and liquidation is greater than 0. Then say value captured is that to cover USD, and we can set that here. Okay, that's good. Cool. I think with this, okay, what are the errors? Okay, I guess we have something. Oh, okay, sorry. Now this is correct. Okay, cool. Uh, that's that's it, I guess. Tomorrow we'll start with creating the UI, because that's what we can show. This is not something we can show, the code, or most of the people are not interested in the code. So let's create the UI tomorrow and deploy it to Vercel or Netlify, whatever service you like, you can deploy there. But tomorrow we will be working on React.js, working with React.js and some charting library. I guess you have the idea what we are planning to do. So yeah, yeah. Um, I know I am gonna end the stream early because I don't have 14 more minutes of explanation. So yes, have a nice day and see you guys tomorrow. Also, before we go, please do subscribe to Decrypted Bytes on YouTube, and go follow me on Twitter. Twitter handle is Nick Bintade, or I have linked it in the description of YouTube video. So please go there. Also, don't forget to check Envio. That's the service I'm using. And Aave, I guess you guys already know that what Aave is. So yes, thanks for watching and see you guys tomorrow, same time. Cool. Have a nice day.